Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.